In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio error, failed to open NVENC Codec function not implemented. If you're seeing this message, it usually means OBS can't access your GPU's hardware encoder, often due to driver issues, permissions, or settings that the encoder doesn't support. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to get you recording or streaming again while also setting you up for stable performance. Start by making sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Go directly to the official website for your GPU, either NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest driver for your exact model and operating system. Installing drivers from the manufacturer is important for compatibility, and outdated or generic drivers are one of the most common reasons NVENCs or AMD encoders fail to initialize in OBS. Next, open OBS Studio. We'll adjust a few settings so you can keep working even if the hardware encoder isn't available. Click Settings, then go to the Output section. Change output mode from simple to advanced. This unlocks more control and lets you choose a fallback encoder. Under the Recording tab, switch the encoder from NVENC or AMD to X264. This tells OBS to use your CPU instead of your GPU for encoding, which is a dependable workaround when the hardware path isn't functioning. Keep in mind that X264 will use more CPU, so watch your system load. This is mainly to get you recording smoothly while you resolve the root cause. Now go to Settings, then Advanced, and open the Video section. Ensure the color format is set to NV12. This format is widely supported and is what most hardware encoders expect. A mismatched color format can lead to initialization errors, so NV12 is the safest choice here. Before trying hardware acceleration again, run OBS with elevated permissions. Close OBS if it's open, then right-click the OBS shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This helps prevent permission-related problems that can block GPU access, especially on systems with strict user control settings. If the error appears only during heavy scenes, reduce the load on your GPU. Go to Settings, then Video, and lower your output, scaled, resolution, or your common FPS values. Even a small step down, say from 60 to 30 FPS or from 1440p to 1080p, can make a big difference in stability. With updated drivers, correct color format, proper permissions, and manageable load, OBS should open the encoder reliably and keep your session stable.